What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to unbox a bunch of Ration accessory packs. What I do is collect a bunch of cigarettes out of the rations before 1970s. They used to put cigarettes for United States military before, when they knew that cigarettes are so bad for you that it kills you. Anyways, I still do like them even though I don't smoke, because it's part of the history that is so cool that find those mini cigarettes in the United States military MREs. Anyways, let's open it up and see what I get this time. By the way, in the last video I did something similar. I got the whole box, but it was the same year, so I pretty much got the same type of cigarettes overflow. This time I got completely different years, so hopefully I'll get something very good like Marlboro. So this is my military cigarettes collection. This is the World War II ones from Ration. Very old ones, as you can see, much smaller, and there's Camel. This one is a little bit newer one. I'm not sure if it was a production or just produced not for military one. This one I actually got it from Ration MRE, and this one's as well. As you can see, I picked out the best ones. Sometimes they get smooshed with the spoon inside of those packets. If you've seen my video, you know what I'm talking about. And also this right here, Lucky Strike, super cool. Inside of this packet, all of them completely sealed, unopened, and there is matches as well, super unique. I just bought it separately. Not really sure how they used to come, but I know that there's military cigarettes. Look at this, matches, wooden matches, huge. Safety matches, that's the name of them. I just love the waterproof casing so much. Look at that, completely functional. As you can see, I'm barely halfway for this collection of cigarettes. There's quite a lot of different ones. And this one, I almost have a full collection of Rations. Rations a lot more expensive and harder to find. This one's about $100 on average. Maybe you're gonna get lucky if you can find for like $45 just accessory pack. And you never know what you're going to get, so it's kinda cool, like a little treasure hunting for your collection. Anyways, let's open them up and see what I got. So usually they sit like that on top of that, and you look for cigarettes. This one is 1966. You know, I'll open 1966 first. This one has no dates because they sold without the box. And this one, on the box it says the date 1968. You know what, 68, I'm pretty sure might be Marlboro. So I'm gonna unbox those first. Okay, 1968 pack. Let's see what's inside this one. Ooh, no way! No way, we got something new. Oh my gosh, mint condition. Wow. Benson and Hedges Menthol 100s. Can you believe it? How good the condition it is? 1968. And I love these little words that they have down there. It's so unique. Beautiful. Gets into my collection. Wow, I'm so happy right now. That's a good start for this thing. And obviously there is a whole bunch of other stuff like military matches. This is, I know a lot of people collect military matches. This one's are white tips and a whole bunch of stuff, explanations in there. And there is gum and a whole bunch of other things. I have unboxed that before, so many of them. So anyways, let's keep going. I'm pretty sure this one is 1966. I hope we'll get Marlboro. I'm so hyped right now. Oh look, there is actually an opening packet right here. Oh, no way! No way! Look at that. Another, I'm gonna fix it a little bit. They get bent with a spoon. But another no label 4 class A cigarettes. That is awesome. Now I have 2 of them. Those are pretty rare as well. Pall Mall, I think, is the most of them. They're not rare at all. Okay, that was, I think, 1966. This ones I do not have a date. Let's open them. No, we got a Marlboro. This is the best video ever. Wow, guys, we got the full collection. Okay, let's see how bad it damaged. Not too bad. Pretty mint condition, but I can't believe how good condition that is. Like I said, because the way they pack the packages, you see this spoon right here, they put sometimes this pocket, if cigarettes up here, it won't get smashed, but if it's this way, it will get smashed, the cigarettes. But wow, guys, I'm speechless. Unopened Marlboro, pretty mint condition, a little bit of smoosh damage, but again, that's a little bit of a history how it was packed. I cannot believe this. Wow, we're getting the full collection today. Guess what? I have 2 more packs. Let's see what we're going to get. I'm really close to a full collection of C-Ration in 1960s. 1950s, it's a completely different cigarette styles and even packaging styles. Those are super rare. And K-Rations as well. But those ones are almost complete. No way, guys, another. Oh, no way! I thought it was gonna be none of that one. I didn't even know that the Chesterfield existed. I mean, I knew, but I forgot. Wow! Can you believe this? Mint package, again, unopened, undamaged. I cannot believe it. Packet coming off a little bit from the edge, I guess glue coming off. But wow, guys, this is amazing. We're hitting every single one of them. Only one repeat, but I don't mind. That's pretty rare. And I think mine was already better. So I like having repeats, especially when they're in mint condition. Like maybe Marlboro I would like to get a little bit better in the future, because I think I have more packets coming. I would not mind having duplicate collection. Maybe I'll sell one as a complete collection and pay back for everything that I have spent, and have my own one and sell for a lot of money the other one. I don't care if it's gonna take a long time to sell. At least way more for what I bought one at a time for. And anyways, I have one more packet right here, and such a unique collection, by the way, guys. Not a lot of people even know about that kind of stuff, but a lot of people, as you know, love collecting military memories. But guess what? Of course, last one is gonna be Pall Mall. Last time I opened up a whole box of them, I got like 6 of those, and this one is horrible condition. It got smushed the most, but that's okay, because guess what? Look at my collection. I'm freaking out, guys. This is so crazy. Sorry about my super excitement, but this is insane. Look at this. And I'm gonna bring out my other ones, and we are pretty much at full collection, but not really. By the way, these ones I purchased it by itself. I don't know if these ones were in the military MREs. You see different ones, but that's a same Pall Mall but different label, so that's why I bought it. This one I got it out of a military MRE. And there you go. This is a C-Ration collection that I have. I'm gonna keep going till we get all of them. But wow, I did not expect to get Chesterfield at all. This one I wanted to buy, and I didn't. I was like, I'm gonna find it myself. And they were sold for very, very much money if there is already open pack and somebody found it. But you know, as you can see, there is some repeats, like Pall Mall. There is some repeats of that stuff. Whew, I'm so excited. The best accessory pack opening video that I was hoping for. And guess what? We really did hit the jackpot. And by the way, different packets out here have different gum, and because it's different years. And also the matches, as you can see, different tips. And they might even say different things. I know people collect matches, so they even collect this stuff as well. But what I really like is this stuff. How cool is that? And they have some unique wording over here. This is Chesterfield Keen cigarettes. Beautiful. I cannot believe this. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below if you want to see more videos of that till I get the full collection, or if you don't care, I'll just do it anyways and not go film it. But I know if you guys gonna enjoy it by letting me know, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll do more videos. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.